Hey YouTube, Consulting Joe here with another video. Today I wanted to show you something pretty cool with AI called Stable Diffusion. So with this we can do some pretty cool things by just telling this application what we are looking for and having AI do the rest. So one I was playing with was Rick and Morty portraits. So Rick and Morty portrait in watercolors, we can say that, with what else? With let's say with a galaxy in the background. So we can get really creative. We can even tell it the artist we're looking for by just saying by this or that artist, and it'll kind of introduce that style of that artist. So just to show you an example of what we were just looking at, I created one where I told it Rick and Morty portrait, futuristic, by Da Vinci. So we got this kind of photo. Here's the other one we got. And I'm running an RTX 3060 graphics card, and kind of playing with the settings here to get the most out of it, but it still takes quite a bit of time. But so we kind of changed this a bit. We're doing in watercolor. Let's be specific. In watercolor paints, maybe. Hopefully, and then with a galaxy in the background. Some of these other settings are something I've just experimented with. This is the actual model itself. I've got a random seed of this my own, and then and samples is just to kind of reduce. We're only getting 2 samples now out of this, which is fine. Because I'm trying to get a 512 by 768 image out of it, which you can only use certain heights and widths because of how the AI model has to process the image and the information. So let's give this a try, and let's just show you a little bit. I'm going to try speeding this process up because it does take a little bit, but this is all real time so far. And this will probably be sped up from here. Alright, so we're back. Looks like it is finished. So let's see what we got here. So here are our new samples. So I think it did a freaking great job. We've got Rick and Morty and an extra Rick, which I guess we should be specific, but it's definitely in watercolors, and it looks like there's a galaxy in the background. So here's some of the other sample it gave us, which is kind of strange, but again, it pretty much got it. So we can refine this more and more to get more specific and exactly what we want, but this is just to give you a taste. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you've got some suggestions, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.